I'm here to prove that HD Business Video Explainer videos blows video marketing to levels never seen. Most explainers do little more than fancy up marketing platitudes. Only HD Business Videos passes the complete marketing package test. Video that excites, video that engages, video that educates, video that puts your brand in the forefront of buyers' minds. And yeah, we don't just deliver you a video, say thanks, and try to sell you another. No, that's what others do. We market the video for you too. We're a certified YouTube TrueView advertiser and will get your video to the right audience for impact. Who else does that? Correct. You see, most business video producers create scripts from canned text. This leads to the number one mistake in any of your marketing: platitudes. Yes, that's the stuff you can find on any website of your competitors that makes a potential buyer say, "Duh, I hope you do that." Simply put, you commonly get a video that any competitor could change your brand for theirs, and it would be them. You are not them. Our explainer video excites, engages, and educates your potential buyers because we make it about what's unique about your company, service, or products. Your explainer makes you better than the competitor, not the same in video. 4 times as many potential buyers prefer to see a video about a product or service than to read about it. But they don't want a video of boring platitudes that makes you look like every one of your competitors. That is what creates a buying decision. Google tests prove that video marketing done right will raise brand awareness by 17% and raise ad recall by, are you ready, 80%. With your HD Business Video exclusive explainer video, you'll get what your buyers demand and the ability to leverage this power of video marketing. Isn't it time you stand out in video and have a certified team marketing that video for results? Visit us at hdbusinessvideos.com today. Start your next production today. We create videos that make you stand out and market them for you.